Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change font size in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to display and here just select font size and style. Here you will find the font size option. Just you can increase font size or decrease font size as per your wish. As of now it is set to third point. If you move to the right side point, font size will be increasing. See here, yes, rightmost will be very large size. See the changes. I am going to the home screen and I am going again settings. See the settings page. Fonts are very large size. Okay, if you would like to decrease font size, what you got to do is just go to the settings again, then go to display, then go to font size and style. Here again choose from font size. So if you choose to the leftmost, font size will be very minimum. See here, font size is very small size. If you would like to set it to the default font size, yes, again go to the same settings, display, then go to font size and style and choose third point, that is default point. Okay, in this way you can easily change font size in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. That is all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.